Today I'm going to show you how to do a swing zero hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a swing zero hook, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop zero hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, looking forward at your target. Going to then lift your swing leg up to a backside swing, jump up and throw your hook kick, and then land with your non-kicking leg followed by your kicking leg into a backside stance. Or you can let your kicking leg follow all the way through, back around to a frontside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move into progressions. First, you want to make sure that you have a swing hook. Second, you want to make sure that you have a swing hook follow through. And basically you're just doing your swing hook kick, but you're jumping in the air while you're kicking. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to support this channel a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over a cheat zero hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.